They're all kind of just.
Oh, Jesus, dude. Why are you always trying to cut cords?
Nope.
Oh, this is mine.
It is. Andrew's over here cutting Mark's computer cords and stuff. He doesn't care.
He went straight for this. It's like, I don't like this stuff.
Why?
Yeah, I think Hunter's got the best idea. Because those balloons are too high for anything to poke.
What the hell is?
Currently held in the box.
Oh.
Oh god.
Oh, we got a skirmish going on over here.
Lost a balloon.
Oh.
Got to lose a blade there.
Oh, it's going for a kill. Never mind.
You stay away from the cord.
Fuck's sake. Oh.
I did the.
This one's dead.
Well, now it's not balloon.
Well.
Oh, somebody lost the knife.
Oh, that one, it just ran it over. Yep, that one's got a leak in it. I'm just trying to fuck Mark shit up.
Oh.
That's bad. The Roomba was fully charged and it died before the ones that were still charged.
Yeah.
The sitting duck, they need to go get it.
No, they're too worried about trying to destroy Mark shit.
Oh.
Oh no.
Not it. I'm cheating, man. Their fucking balloons are too high. Wait, your thing turned my shit off. Pause it.
I think yours won that group. You may have the least balloons left, me.
It powered it off. No, it just went completely. Other than the balloons popping, this section of forestry, nice. This would be the cleanest spot in the whole fucking store.
Oh.
You lost the balloon.
He just ate the fucking balloon. Oh, never mind. I did not eat the balloon corpse.
See, look, there's no way they're gonna pop those balloons, man.
No, it's trying to just kill the whole river, though.
They're just not even go off on the city duck.
Pop.
$800 bullshit.
Now, if yours was still going, it had a better chance to get a
It
higher
would.
blade.
That K-bar on the front of mine would get you.
Jacobs are all too low.
It's just funny watching them.
Uh-oh. Oh, is it finally gonna do something? Nope.
Picked up after itself.
Yeah, I did pick up the blue, the napkin and the blue together.
Oh, did it eat the fucking napkin?
Yeah, I think so. That one is determined to kill my shit. It's like, oh, there's thorns under here. I'm gonna get them. Yeah, this was happening in the other bag.
It got stuck and had a spaz attack. You see that?
Oh, wait.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I wonder if it's... Oh. The knives are...
The knives are hung together.
Big over there. Alright, buddy, it's time to come up and coat put over. Buddy's gonna cut the blue off.
Oh.
Oh shit! You guys are a couple of pussies, man. One of mine's not even powered on, and it's still you still can't do nothing.
Hold on, let's go. This has been going on for 7.5 minutes now.